Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Project C1, my name's Dave, and we're cleaning C1 today. I've partnered up with a company called Karcher. They're a local company to me, and I'm all about supporting local businesses. They've got their own range of car cleaning products, so I thought I'd give them a try. So first and foremost, I've got their citrus pre-wash. That goes through a foam cannon, so happy with that. I also bought a foam cannon from them, get to that in a second. I've got their fallout remover called Venom, a snow foam, and my particular favourite. Now if you follow me on Instagram down here, you will have seen this before when we cleaned the Series 1 Land Rover, the ceramic snow foam. This is brilliant stuff. After that, we've got the glass cleaner with the glass cleaning cloth. I've got a noodle mitt, like a microfiber one. I've got some detail brushes, and I've got some tyre gel. I'm led to believe this stuff doesn't, it's not in the product range anymore because of COVID, essentially. Can't get the silicone. Can't get the silicone anymore. So, yeah, it has been replaced by something else, but that particular cola flavoured one is really good. I've had these for a little while now. I've paid for everything. It's not a sponsorship or anything. Although they have kindly offered a discount just on screen here. So if you use that at checkout, you get a little discount. It's better than nothing, isn't it? That said though, I'm only doing the outside of the car, so let's get on with it. Right, so as you'll be able to see then, the C1 has been through the ringer slightly. So yeah, I mean, I don't have a complete set of products. I would like some wheel cleaner, but never mind, next time. This is local country lanes. This is why I haven't lowered my car, by the way. I'd never get down these roads. Bodywork, yay, though it's in reasonable condition, it is dirty. All the wheels are like this. The whole front and the back and all the glass is all just a little bit nasty. But it is what it is. So let's get all the tools out and we'll give it a clean. I wanted to just let you know of something in this video. This is in no way Viper's fault. I bought a snow foam lance off them. This is not it, by the way. The one that I bought off them has a 1/4" quick connector. This one I bought off eBay because Ryobi, in their infinite wisdom, designed their own connector. And this does not connect properly to this. There's water all spewing out the sides and nothing actually coming out of there. So, off you go. So I decided, as a backup, I will use the foam option that they have on the Ryobi unit. But it's a little bit naff, because this is the only way I can get any kind of foam. And that's just a little pathetic, isn't it? So I'm going to persevere with it and see what we can do. However, this is not a reflection on Viper's products. They're actually pretty good. So let's get on with it. Let's clean the car, make the best we can of it. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to use is the fallout remover. You know what this is, you've seen enough cleaning videos by now. You spray this on things like wheels and on your bodywork, things like that, and any embedded iron particles will start to bleed out. Don't let this stuff dry on your car though, because that will start ruining your paintwork, and it's not good stuff if you leave it. However, if you don't and you do it as per the instructions, it's really good. So what I'm doing is just liberally applying it over all the wheels, some of the bodywork that you know, actually gets contaminated with iron and things like that. I'm not going to bother with the front bumper. I'm going to replace that bumper. I have a future video planned for that. But yeah, liberally applied to all the wheels, some of the bodywork, and we'll just let that bleed. Right, so we've done the fallout remover thing. The wheel's looking much better for it, as is the bodywork. I do need to get some glue and tyre remover though. Never mind. The next thing to do is to snow foam it. Now it says on the back, winter and heavy soiling 5:1, general use 10:1. I've gone 5:1 because I haven't cleaned this car in a long time, so I'm going to consider that heavy soiling. But yeah, I would normally use the 2 bucket method as it says there. However, I have 1 bucket that is actually a Viper bucket as well, and I've got this thing. So yeah, let's try and snow foam this car, and we'll use the mitt and see if we can wash it. Okay, so that's the actual shampoo done. You saw me clean a wheel or 2 there and the rest of the bodywork, and all this stuff is vinyl safe, by the way, so it looks really good on top of the vinyl. It's good for the windows, all that sort of stuff. The bodywork is looking really clean. I'm happy with that. It does need a clay bar, but that's a different thing completely. So the next thing is now we need to protect it, and for that we have the ceramic infused snow foam, and the way that that's done is put it through a snow foam lance. Again, I apologise, this isn't foaming as much as it should do. This Ryobi thing is just awful. And you let it to soak for a minute, and then you towel dry it. This towel is not from Viper, but it's the only one that I had. So let's get the foam on, rinse it off, and towel dry it. that's the ceramic all on, off, dried, everything's looking good. Now one thing I do want to show you of this bodywork is I want to show you some water. So let me grab the jet wash lens, and I want to show you just exactly how well this stuff works. Watch the water just disappear. It's just running straight off the car. Absolutely no worries in the world. That is good stuff. I really like that. That's amazing. So I'll get that dried up. That's just to show you how good that ceramic infused foam wash actually works. So now that's done, now it's time for the windows. Okay, so now that's the outside of the car done. Now it's time to do the windows with the glass cleaner. The instructions are basically spray on, wipe off. And I'm doing it with their own premium glass cloth. It looks to be like a waffle weavy type thing, so let's get on the windows and give it a try. Tell you what, I'm awfully impressed with that glass cleaner. I think that might be the best product so far. You can actually see my reflection in it. Look, hello. But that is a lovely clean piece of glass. However, in doing so, I noticed I have a chip. Damn it. But never mind. What we're doing next is the tyre gel. Now then, this is the stuff that we're going to put on the tyres to make them shine. The directions are basically rub it on with a pad, buff it off, and it'll last up to 3 weeks. I've got myself a pad, everything is good. I've used this for wheels before. So let's get on it before the rain comes. Now then, I've only put one dressing on, but that looks really good. That looks shiny and new. I'm very impressed. Yes, I think that is the product for me for the future. So, well done Viper, that's really good. I really enjoyed that. That was a good set of products. The car's clean, which is always a bonus. So, yeah, one tick on the list of things to do before the MOT done. But yeah, those are really good products. I particularly like the snow foam for the sealant, for the silicone one. I particularly like the glass cleaner and the wheel gel. Really good products. I mean, all the rest are really good as well, but those particularly stand out to me. They're very reasonably priced as well. Now, speaking of which, Glenn and Jane have given us a generous discount. So, on screen just here. So, use that code at checkout for a discount. And yeah, thanks very much for that. Just to remind everyone then that I actually paid for all these products myself. This isn't a sponsored endorsement or anything like that. I just really like the products. So, yeah, great. I am by no means a professional detailer. I'm not even an amateur. I just cleaned a car. But, I'd like to think I did reasonably well. No doubt, as in the last video, you'll point down in the comments what I did wrong. So, looking forward to that one. But you know what to do. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all that usual YouTube algorithm good stuff. It helps the channel out. If you really wanted to, you could buy me a coffee just here. Links down in the description below. Also links down to Viper down in the description below as well. And you can follow me on Instagram to see what I'm getting up to between videos. Go and share the love to all the sponsors down at the bottom. So TSA Performance and Form 7 Performance. Make sure you go visit them on Instagram. And remember to ring that bell, get notified next time I drop a video. I'll see you then.